Can't figure out how to highlight important text in your PDF?
Or
Need to add notes or images, but can't see to find the right option? Let's fix that with Wave PDF editor software. To highlight text, click on the Highlight Text button, select the Multiply option in Blend mode, and choose the color. Apply the color on the desired text. After applying the color highlight, click the Save option and you are done. If you want to delete the applied color, just click on Edit mode, select the color box and hit Delete button. The highlight box will be removed. To insert a text box, click Insert Text Box and type the desired text. You can also change the font size and color of the text in the text box. To delete this text box, right-click on the text box and select Cut option. To add an image, click the Insert Image button and choose the image you want to place in your PDF. To remove the inserted image, click on Edit Mode button, select the image and press the Delete button. Wave PDF makes solving common PDF editing problems quick and easy. Check out our other videos to explore more features and say goodbye to complicated PDF edits. Send us a WhatsApp to get a 3-month full-featured trial of Wave PDF completely free. And it gets better. Refer Wave PDF to 3 people and you'll receive a lifetime perpetual license, no strings attached.